Hello, what's up people? Welcome back to Twisted Flavors. So today I'm gonna show you how to make easy delicious French toast. French toast is one of those things that doesn't require any fancy ingredients or a lot of time to prep and cook. So without further ado, let's get started our recipe. So first thing, obviously we need to make batter for our bread. For that I am cracking around 2 large eggs into a shallow bowl along with quarter cup of milk, and I am adding 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar. If you have brown sugar, you can use it. Now whisk everything together. Now add quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder, pinch of salt. If you want, you can add vanilla essence, but I'm not going to use it in mine. And we'll be whisking it again. Once our batter is ready, add 1 tablespoon of oil or butter on the pan and spread it. Here I just wanted to give you a small tip. If you want to use the butter alone, don't use it, as it melts down quickly and turns into brown, which in turn leads to burning of our toast. You can use it along with oil. If not, use just the oil. Alright, let's get back to our recipe. So take the bread and dip on both the sides in the batter and place it on the pan. Don't over soak the bread. It makes the bread clumsy and gooey. You can flip the slice once the visible bubbles become small. That means it has cooked golden brown. You have to use the same procedure to make sure the other side is also cooked into golden brown. That's it. Our French toast is ready to eat, and you can have it the way you like it. Have it hot, but you can have it with some honey, maple syrup, but I love to have it just like that. It tastes so delicious, but don't overdo it. Definitely try it and comment down below your thoughts. Bye bye.